guys, so welcome back to Tool Time, where we do nothing but tool hauls, tool reviews, exposing the good, the bad, the ugly tools, and doing demos. So we finally got a Matco guy. His truck's loaded. For just getting started, his truck is completely full. I'm talking to him about doing some videoing on the truck because the Snap-on guy won't let me. So we're working up to that point with the Matco guy. This is the first time he's come to the shop, and I grabbed these off of him. I seen them on Coon's channel. They looked great. I want to try them out. So we're going to take these over here to a gasket and see what they're really about. Part number on these is CGSS2A. Right there, 5/8 and 1.25" carbide scraper set. Matco Tools. I don't know. I would imagine someone else probably makes these also. But here's all this information for you. And then here's the back from the bottom up. If you want to pause it and read all that, and that's completely up to you. But let's get them opened up and get over here to the gasket and get the scraping and see how good they are. Coon and them swear by these, so let's try them out. Be right back. Alrighty guys, back with the scrapers here. And they actually are pretty great. As you can see, it even takes off pieces of rust, and then you just wipe the end off here. And they're not sharp at all. This is crazy. I don't understand this. It doesn't cut you. You know, normally you would use like a razor blade or something like that to scrape it. This here is not going to cut you. And this, the little one, 5/8 one, took off that big chunk of gasket and everything off there like it was nothing. Didn't have to sit there and beat on it and everything. And it takes off rust real easy. Like, there's so many things these could be used for. Like, look at that. These things are my favorite scrapers now. Just getting them in my hands and using them. I don't have this down in the vise or nothing like that. And then just wipe your end, clean it all back up, and there's not even no wear marks on it or nothing. Guys, that is fantastic. These things are great. The individual part number for the little one is CGSS58A. The big one is CGSS114A. These are great. I don't know what it would do to this. Oh, scrapes all the paint and rust and everything right off. Guys, these things are fantastic. I'm amazed by this little scraper. They're so flat, they don't cut you. Guys, if you don't have these, you better get them. This is amazing. I'm amazed. Matco killed it with these. Like I said, I would imagine someone else has these. They're probably rebranded, as is a lot of tool trucks tools. But I like supporting my local tool truck. They're entrepreneurs just like me. They're self-employed. So with that being said, if you do not have this set of scrapers or you're looking to buy a new set of scrapers, definitely check these out. If I was you guys, I would. Once again, here's the packaging. Alrighty guys, so I have been using the die grinder for the last 3 days now in a row. And she still has, hang on one second here, let me get the, she still has 3 bars, and I've used it to buff probably 15 tires, cleaned off 4 rotors yesterday with it, and I've got a little better of a demo here. We're going to clean this rotor up here. This is just an old junk rotor. It's no good, but it's been sitting for a long time. So let's hit it here. This is on 4 with just your little Scotch-Brite pad here. Now I'll go up here and the wheel came and destroyed. So let me get a new wheel on here and we'll go over here to this catalytic converter and clean the gasket. Alrighty, so as you can see, I started up there, we got down here. This is a junk catalytic converter, just doing some demo. We're going to hit it with the pad. That pad has about seen better days. But as you can see, she's all cleaned up, super smooth. This side has the studs in it. This one's broke. As I said, this is a junk catalytic converter. We're not putting this back on a car, so don't start freaking out. I'm going to wrap it up for that video, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Leave your opinions down below. Let me know if you have these, how long they've lasted. I just got them, but they are amazing so far. I'm interested to see how long they're going to last and be sharp for. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you know when I post a new video. Giveaway video should be up tomorrow. I still got to shoot it, but it should be up tomorrow. Thanks for being patient. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out of here.